Hi, my name is Maria and I'm Miss Remake. I would do some crazy creations and I hope that you will be inspired. So join me on my channel and I will show you some tricks. So Christmas is coming up and I'm gonna show you how to do these kind of Christmas decorations. It's very easy. This is just candy paper and this is some kind of trash and actually a picture of Mariah Carey.
Oh, Dinah, what do you think this is going to become? It's not gonna be good.
Sometimes you really have to sacrifice when you do some work.
That's not fair. I wanna get chocolate too.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make a very easy Christmas decoration. You need candy paper, this metal wire, and a little pearl.
I wonder where she gets her ideas from. Oh yeah.
First, you put the pearl on the wire. Then, take the candy paper. You squish it a little bit, put the pearl in the middle, and you twist on the back. Then you make a little circle so you can hang it in your tree like this.
Wow, that's awesome! Well done.
So the next thing is I'm gonna use these really like see-through glass bubbles, and I'm gonna remove this and I'm gonna put some trash inside of it.
Hey Dinah, look what she's doing this time. I bet it's not gonna be so good.
Actually, I'm gonna cut some stripes from candy paper as well.
Seriously, Maria.
Some old ribbons. Funny part is that almost anything looks beautiful inside the glass.
I really like those pearls. Me too.
So today hasn't been the most healthiest day of my life because I had a lot of chips as well. So I'm gonna use some stripes of that in this, just to add some extra color. So now I'm gonna put the lid back on, so I'm just gonna snap it in here. Just like this.
Oh, wow, Dinah, look, it actually turned out pretty good. Oh, wow.
So now this is finished as well, and I made a lot of treasures from trash. What girls do you think about this one?
I love how it sparkles everywhere.
Okay. So treasure for the trees, and I want to wish you all, from all of my friends to you, a Merry, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to everyone! Look, Dinah.
I love shiny stuff. Hey, Dinah and Trixie. That was a very nice swim indeed.
Send me your videos of your remake tricks and I will post them on my Instagram, Miss Remake. See ya! Bye!